Welcome to Weekly Current Affairs to my channel. We are going to cover current affairs from 3rd May to 9th May. Now we'll proceed with a motivational quote. Success is a journey, not a destination. Now we'll go with weekly quiz. First question. Which state has launched Mukhyamantri Yuva Yoga Yojana? The answer is Tripura. Next question. Name the first state in India which provide midday meal ration. The answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next question. Who has been extended as the Goodwill Ambassador of the United Nations Environment Programme for 2 years till 2022? The answer is Dia Mirza. Next question. Indian American Ashok Michael Pinto has been nominated as the US representative to which institution? The answer is IBRD. Which country was the hardest hit by food crisis in 2019 as per Global Report on Food Crisis 2020? The answer is Yemen. Next question. Which day is celebrated as the World Red Cross Day and Red Crescent Day? The answer is 8th May. Which country has launched Long March 5B rocket to space? The answer is China. Which state has started first COVID-19 test bus? The answer is MP. In association with Piramal Foundation, which organization has launched Surakshit Dada Dadi and Nana Nani Abhiyan campaign? The answer is Niti Aayog. Which country hosted the SAARC Health Ministers meet? The answer is Pakistan. Name the person who authored the book titled Vijayant at Kargil, The Life of a Kargil Hero. The answer is V.N. Thapar and Neha Dwivedi. Former Union Minister Dalit Izil Malai, who passed away in May 2020, belongs to which Indian state? The answer is Tamil Nadu. Which Indian state has launched Ayush Kavach COVID app? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. Which country has announced new currency Toman? The answer is Iran. Which city witnessed a horrific toxic gas tragedy on May 7, 2020? The answer is Visakhapatnam. Mustafa Al-Kadhimi is the Prime Minister of which country? The answer is Iraq. Name the first Indian state which has announced to provide free and cashless insurance protection to people. The answer is Maharashtra. TCS will launch the first fully digital bank of which country? The answer is Israel. 2021 Aquatic World Championship will held at which place in 2022? The answer is Japan. World Asthma Day is celebrated on which day? The answer is 5th May. Which country is the president of the name till 2022? The answer is Azerbaijan. At which place Expo 2020 will take place? The answer is Dubai. COVID Katha, a multimedia guide on COVID-19 launched by Harshvardhan. World Freedom Conference held at which place? The answer is Netherlands. Sandeep Kumari is related to which games? The answer is disc throw. A.K. Tripathi passed away recently. He was the Chief Justice of which state? The answer is Chhattisgarh. Who has appointed as the Secretary of MSME? The answer is Arvind Kumar. Next question. Which state or union territory has received the GI tag for saffron? The answer is Kashmir. G20 Digital Economy Ministers meet headed by which country? The answer is Saudi Arabia. Who is appointed as the Secretary of Ministry of Road Transport and Highways? The answer is Giridhar Aramne. Badminton World Championship 2020 will take place at which place? The answer is Spain. What is the rank of India in World Press Freedom Index? The answer is 142. Which day is celebrated as World Press Freedom Day? The answer is 3rd May. Which country has lifted temporary ban on exports of face masks? The answer is Russia. What is the Resistance Front in news recently? That is new terror group in Kashmir. India has signed agreements with which country for coking coal? The answer is Russia. Which state has suspended labor laws? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. Recently, a black panther was spotted in which wildlife sanctuary? The answer is Netravali. Recently, Chuni Goswami passed away at the age of 82. He was associated with which sports? The answer is football. Recently, in LG Polymers plants in Visakhapatnam, which toxic gas was released? The answer is styrene. India has begun which biggest evacuation? The answer is Vande Bharat mission. Who has been reappointed as chairperson of Parliament Public Account Committee? The answer is Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. India has begun clinical trials of which medicines? The answer is Ayush medicines. Who has been awarded Young Career Award 2020 in Nanoscience and Technology? The answer is Saurabh Lodha. Which international organization has released Lost at Home report? The answer is UNICEF. Who has launched Garud portal? The answer is Director General of Civil. Recently, India demanded Pakistan to vacate which region of Kashmir? Gilgit-Baltistan. Which country is to launch the first Arctica M satellite in 2020 December? The answer is Russia. Which state has price hiked 70% hike as special corona fee in the price of liquor? Delhi. Which Indian institution has collaborated with Hong Kong Film to create global venture ecosystem? The answer is IIT Hyderabad. Which institution has launched disinfection tower UV blaster? DRDO. The RBI has cancelled the license of which 105-year-old cooperative bank? CKB Cooperative Bank. Padma Shri awardee K.S. Nisar Ahmed passed away at the age of 84. He was associated with which field? Poetry. Commonwealth Youth Games has been postponed to which year? 2023. Friends, thank you for watching. If you like my video, please share it with your friends. Thank you.